Do I have to put all my stuff in my will? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. What am I talking about when I talk about all my stuff? Well, I'm not talking about your house. I'm not talking about your car. I'm not talking about your investment accounts. I'm talking about your stuff, your tangible personal property items, the things that you can reach out and touch and hold. Okay, do you have to put all of those in your will? Well, there's three kinds of levels here, and some need to go in the will and some don't. So, first off, things that I consider as treasures, or you consider as treasures, those should go in your will, and they should be in the form of a specific bequest. If you have a special grandfather clock that you want to go to somebody, or a grand piano that you want to go to somebody, you put those in your will as a specific bequest. The next level is what I call um, my important stuff. Okay. So these are things that have a sentimental value or a nominal monetary value, and they can number in the dozens or hundreds, even maybe if you're talking about things like photographs or mementos and things like that. You don't want to put those in the will because every time you change your mind, you'd have to change your will. So what we do is we include something called a tangible personal property memorandum. It's kind of like an addendum to the will, and it's a list of the special important stuff that you want to go to specific people, and you can update that to your heart's content, add to it, delete from it, change it. You just every time you make a change or an addition, you sign it and date it and store that with your will, and it's treated as an addendum. It's referenced in the will so that that way it has legal effect. The last thing is everything else that's left. What do I do with that? Well, it's your residual tangible property, and the will typically says my personal representative or my executor has the right to give it away, donate it, or sell it, whatever they see fit to do. So that's where all your stuff goes and how you handle it in your will. If you have any more questions about estate planning, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have the opportunity to chat with you. Again, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm a estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland. I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.